Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? How was your stay? Alright, today we have the Fragrance in East Bali tour. It starts at 8 a.m. So before we start the tour, uh, you have to make sure that you have a breakfast and check your belongings. Alright, if you're done, please follow me into the bus. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to meet you again. I'm Wahyu from Discover. I'm glad to be your tour guide today. So let me introduce our crew. On my left side is Mr. Eka as a professional driver, and on my right side there is Mr. Putra as assistant driver. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Fragrance in East Bali tour. So today we will visit the Terunyan village. Well, ladies and gentlemen, is this your first time come to Bali? Alright, because this is your first time, I would like to tell you about Indonesia and Bali in general. Indonesia is the one of the largest island country in the world. It contains of 17,000 islands and 34 provinces. The capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta. The total people in Indonesia is more than 267 million people. Indonesia has three time zones. There are Western Standard Time, Central Standard Time, and East Standard Time. The currency in Indonesia is rupiah. So as you can see, this is 20,000 rupiah. With 20,000 rupiah, you can buy two largest bottle of mineral water. Alright, how about the weather? Indonesia has a tropical climate, so there are a dry season from April until October and rainy season from November until March. Now I tell you about Bali. Bali is one of the most beautiful island in Indonesia. The capital city of Bali is Denpasar City. The total people in Bali is more than 4 million people. The majority of religion in Bali is Hindu. They are prayer at pura or temple. Anyway, the weather in Bali is so hot now, so I suggest you to drink a lot of water to avoid dehydration. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we have arrived at Terunyan village. So before we leave the bus, please check your belongings and be careful by your style. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are in Terunyan village. So I would like to tell you about information of the Terunyan village. This village is known for the uniqueness of their custom and burial tradition. In Terunyan village, burial are conducted by placing the deceased in open ground under the Tarumanyan tree, believed to eliminate the foul odor of the corpse with its fragrant scent. It known as Mepasa by Balinese Hindu. The Mepasa method is typically used for those who were married, unmarried adults, and children who have lost their milk teeth at the time of death. Not everyone in Terunyan village is buried using the Mepasa method. Those who had physical deformities, missing limbs, unhealed wounds from diseases like smallpox at the time of death, died unnaturally, accident, murder, suicide, and each other, or children who die before losing their milk teeth are buried in the ground. There are three types of burial grounds in Terunyan. First is Semowaya, second Sememuda, and the third is Semebanta. Semowaya is used for Mepasa burials, where bodies of those who die a normal death when were married are placed. Semebantas is used for inhumation burials. Body buried here includes those who die in both naturally and unnaturally, whether married or not, and regardless of age. Samamuda is accommodates both mapasah and burial methods for unmarried individuals and children who have lost their milk teeth. Actually, there is history behind the burial practice in Terunyan village. The story begins with a king from Surakarta who has 4 children, 3 sons and 1 daughter. They catch a pregnant scan from the east, and upon receiving permission from the king, the journey takes them to Bali. In Mount Batu, the youngest child decides to settle down and become Ratu Ayu Mas Mekater. The 3 sons continue their journey, but a conflict arises between the first and the third child. The first child escaped the third child, who is then titled Ratu Sakti Sangyang Jeru. The journey continues with the first and second child, and at Lake Batur, a conflict ensues between them. The first child kicked the second child, and the place is named Desa Abang Duku. The first child continued the journey alone until reaching the Taru Menyanti tree. There, he meets a beautiful woman, gets married, and becomes Ratu Sakti Pancaring Jagat in the village of Trunyan. To protect the area from threats, the deceased in the region are not buried but placed near the Taru Menyan tree, emitting a fragrant aroma and safeguarding against the smell of corpus. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please keeping the group. We will start to look around the Semua Trunyan, so please follow me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how was your story today? Are you enjoying the tour? Alright, just to remind you that tomorrow we have a Ubud full day tour. It starts from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. For the first destination, we will visit to the Galangan Rice Terrace, and then we move to Ubud Market and go to the Ubud Monkey Forest. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for the tour today. Have a good rest and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.